In this video, I will show you step by step how you can join your friends on Gorilla Tag. So without wasting any time, let's jump straight into the video. Now, the first thing we need to do is head over to Roblox. Once we open up Roblox, you want to go over to Gorilla Tag, or you want to search for it at the top of the page right here. As you can see, I can then click into the Gorilla Tag game. It will then open this up, and then you want to click on the little friend icon at the side of the play button. From here, you want to select Join Friends, and then from here, you will now see an option for servers my friends are in. Now, if any of your friends are playing Gorilla Tag, they will then show up under this section right here, which says servers my friends are in. If they're not showing up, you can click on refresh, and they then should show up if they are playing this game. And if they are playing this game, there will be an option to join them. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.